In this video, how to sign up Walmart account, I will show you step by step how to create a Walmart account. First, go to the Walmart website or open the Walmart app on your phone. On the home page, look for the Sign In option. Click on Sign In to open the login page. Now click on the Create Account option. Enter your first name and last name in the required fields. Then enter a valid email address. Create a strong password to secure your account. Type the password again to confirm. Now click the Create Account button to continue. Walmart may send a verification code to your email. Open your email and copy the code you received. Go back to the website or app and enter the verification code. Click Confirm to verify your account. After that, your account will be successfully created. You can now log in and start shopping on Walmart. Having an account allows you to track orders and save delivery information.